So guys, I'm near my car, leaving the parking lot. I left the slippers inside the car itself. So we are moving towards the temple right now. We'll get the parking ticket and we'll start our journey. Okay. We are moving near the parking guy. எவ்வளோ சார்? வரும்போது வாங்கிக்கலாம். So looks like we can take the parking ticket while we are getting back. So one good thing I did this time is like I kept my camera bag inside the car itself, so that I can walk freely just with my water bag. So, and I have my spare lens in the pocket. That would be Helios 58mm f2.m42 mount lens with an adapter. Okay. So, as the board reads, we are at Thanjavur Periya Kovil, Thanjavur Big Temple. We are very early today because it's Sunday and you might find a lot of people inside. We are just entering. So we find some guides here, but I may not be needing any guide right now. So I'm just checking if there is any okay. So the board reads like you need to take only government approved guides for this temple. You should not take any other private people to guide you guys. So, and what you are looking at is the entrance. There are two enclosures for this temple. This was built later. Whatever you find on the exterior here, the outside wall was built later by French colonies in 1700s. The original temple enclosure did not have this external enclosure. The original temple enclosure comes from the inside. It was built during the French colony period. So why am I here? I am here for the second time because I wanted to shoot the wide. I am at f16 infinity and I want to shoot wide. So that was the exterior, and actually I have shot the entrance many times and many people must have photographed this place. Already 1,000 times, so I might have to look for frames which are unique, you know. So kindly forgive me if I couldn't find one, or if I'm spotting it a little late. So that was one little shot which I could find today. So we are moving inside. I've taken this shot before. I'll show you guys for now. So it's like I'm taking it in Fuji because it gives me more megapixels when I crop it for widescreen. So I've taken this shot before. And it's already there in the sale. Sorry, that was a little bump for me. So that was some interesting frame. Will give space for the tourist to go and start filming. So I guess by this time most of my Chris Shots photography viewers would have guessed what I'm shooting. So we're trying to find some interesting frames possible. At this point of our we're trying to take some wide. Few are going to be some reference shots, and you will find some history here. Sadly, I may not be able to zoom it for you guys. This is just a GoPro, so I will explain you guys all the history that I know, the very little history that I know about this temple. Okay, so what you see here is the blueprint of the entire temple. That's where we are right now, and we'll be entering this, and that's there the entire temple blueprint, the main Vimana. Okay, so as I go, I'll explain you guys everything that I know very little about this temple. Okay, my idea is to cover all the things that is possible with the wide angle lens that I have. I am at f16 and ISO 200 for the most part. I really find some interesting shadows here. I was waiting for somebody to cross this place so that I can take some photograph. I took some reference shot. I'm waiting for someone to go here. No. I don't find people who would be crossing this spot right now, and we are losing light. Let's see, we'll spend some 3 minutes here so that we'll have somebody crossing and shoot this shadow. We have a couple of people coming. You can go. Pola. So I took some interesting frame. That was nice. So hey, nice. I know photography is allowed here, but I haven't taken the GoPro yet to Brihadishwara temple. So this is the first time. I might have to check with the temple personnel later. This is all silhouettes. Sorry. So what you guys find over there is the Yanai Kottaram, or the elephant place over there. The small shed that you see over there is the elephant place where they give baths to the elephants. I was here in 2013. So I was here by 2013. Sorry, that was my spot meter on the GoPro. I was here by 2013. I was lucky enough to photograph the Vellayammal elephant. The Vellayammal elephant is supposed to be the elephant which was donated by actor Sivaji Ganesan to Tanjavur Big Temple. And Vellayammal, I suppose it was Vellayammal, the elephant which I photographed. And sadly it attained the Divine Award after a few months when I took the photograph, and it was by age actually. It was 63, I guess, when the Vellayammal elephant attained the Divine Award, and it was donated by actor Shivaji Ganesan to Tanjavur Big Temple. And I was lucky enough to photograph Vellayammal, and the Vellayammal elephant's photograph is for sale in my Flickr gallery. You guys can go and visit my Flickr gallery, and it's there for sale. The print actually, and it attained Divine Award due to age at the age of 63. So I'm trying to cover all the wide angle possible. And these people helped me to make some street photography inside the temple premises. So that's interesting. Since this is an wide angle lens and a little bit of concave curvature is there. I mean convex or concave. Which one bulges actually? It's convex. So certain things will be squeezed in the center. So we have some stories here, and this is my usual shot for any temple I have taken this. Being wide angle, I am getting very big coverage. There is going to be man-made things visible because this is a nice shadow. So I might have to confirm with temple authorities if GoPro is allowed inside before I go in, take photograph and videos, because the temple similar Brihadishwara temple, which is like Gangaikonda Sorapuram, allowed permitted people to take GoPro inside. So might have to check here with the security personnel. No, there are no security personnel here. I just crossed the gate. I guess most of my audience, Krishat's photography audience, would understand what I'm doing or what I'm photographing. I'm waiting for somebody to come. Guess that would turn out well in the photograph later. So we have some heritage stuff. Actually, this is UNESCO certified heritage, this particular place. I have photographed this frame earlier with my Canon 6D, and it's also there in the Flickr gallery, and it's also in Fine Art America. It's for sale. I'm going to photograph it for my Krishat's photography audience. So this will give me some higher megapixel count. So, and it's as per Wikipedia, we have more Tamil text and Grandham text on the walls of Thanjavur Big Temple. So what you see here is most probably Tamil, and I'm not sure where Grandham is. So there are photographs and examples cited in Wikipedia about the text. You can check them out. So we are already here. So I don't find any official persons of the temple. So it's better I ask the temple people who have shops here, so that if small cameras are allowed and it's legal here. So சின்ன கேமரா
இதோ ஒரே நிமிஷம் நீ கட் பண்ணி நானே ஒரு லைன் போகிறேன் ஒரு 10 நிமிஷம்.
தேங்க்யூ. ஸோ சின்ன வீடியோ கேமரா எடுத்துகிட்டு போகலாம்ல?
வீடியோ கேமரா கொண்டு போகலாம், ஸ்டாண்டு மட்டும் வைக்கக்கூடாது. சின்னதுன்னா ஐடி கேம் இல்லையா?
இதுதான்
இது அவ்வளோ தெரியல வேணா கேட்டுக்கோங்க.
எங்கே கேட்கணும்? அதான்
ஏஎஸ்ஐ ஆஃபீஸில் முன்னாடியே உட்காந்துருக்காங்க.
யாரும் இல்லை அங்கே.
ஒரு 2 நிமிஷம்.
Okay. I know tripod stands are not allowed here. That much I know very much. So what we will do is, before we proceed inside, we'll wait for the ASI officers to arrive and we'll take permission and we'll get inside. So far it's 17 minutes of recording. It was good and we did it outside, all the recording. So we'll wait for the officers and take permission and we'll go inside. So till then, peace out. B.